I'm Vanessa from VMD Designs. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. It means a lot to me. Y'all just don't even know. I am doing another shout out slash inspirational. My inspiration for today comes from Suzanna Renaud, the chick that makes awesome cups and that I stalk regularly on a daily basis. But you know I stalk you. So am I really a stalker if you know that I stalk you, or am I just a bad stalker? So she posted this picture. Do y'all see this? I was like, what? Still to this day, I have no idea how she made this. I have no idea how she made it, but I was able to make my own design and I came up with this version. Because this is not my original design, I love to give credit where credit is due, and it comes from Suzanna Renaud of Glamour Tribe Customs. She is absolutely amazing, and exciting news. If you did not already know, she has started a Patreon group, and yeah, best believe your honey buns, I am in that group. I just want to thank you guys again so much for watching my channel. Thank you so much for liking, and thank you so much to all of you who have subscribed, because that really helps my channel out. All my subscribers, oh my word, I love you. You right there. I love you. If you haven't subscribed, why not? Come on, join the fam. We're a family here. Join the family. Join the family. I hope you guys all enjoy my GEODE tutorial, and thank you so much again to Suzanna, the originator of this design. I hope you guys enjoy.
Okay guys, first we need to mix our glitters. I'll be using measuring cups for my mixes, and the measurements will be in milliliters. We'll be making mixes for the rock or stone section, a white section, purple section, and the crystal section. Now, to map out our GEODE sections. Using an old Cricut pen, I'm going to draw out how I want my sections to look. I like to make my lines with dips and ridges to give the finished look a bumpy effect, but you can shape your sections any way you like. When you're finished mapping out your sections, use Mod Podge or whatever glue you prefer and fill in your sections with our custom mix glitters. I like to do 2 glitter layers to get good coverage. Once we're finished with our glitters, it's time to add our inks. I'll be mixing Purple Twilight in with some 91% alcohol to dilute the color a bit for the outside edge of the crystal portion. Then I'll be using Pinata's Purple Passion undiluted in another medicine cup. Using a paintbrush, I start at the outer portion with the diluted inks and work my way into the dark section. Once I have my first layer of inks on, I take the crystal glitter mix and sprinkle it on top. No more glue is needed. The inks will act as the glue, and whatever glue that is still wet underneath will allow the glitter to stick. I then add more inks on top to blend in the glitters. This will give our geode depth and will give the illusion of a deep center. To add a little bit of glitter to the forefront, I take a spoon and sprinkle just a little bit more of the crystal glitter right on top, and then I'll be all done. When you're all done, allow your tumbler to dry for 24 to 48 hours, seal with Krylon triple thick, and then seal it with a coat of epoxy. For this 30-ounce skinny, the first layer of epoxy was about 40 milliliters. After torching, some of the glitter might become displaced. I just like to use my X-Acto knife to take off any of the floating glitter. Once that layer cures, add another coat of epoxy, and then we'll be ready for our first light sanding. I'll be using a 1500 grit sanding disc on my orbital sander, and I'll lightly sand the rim and bottom of the tumbler, as well as any bumps that may be on the tumbler itself. When I'm done, I'll wash away any dust with Dawn dish soap, and then apply another coat of epoxy. Once that layer is cured, sand your tumbler again with a high grit sanding paper going over the rim and bottom of your tumbler. Wash your tumbler to remove any dust, and then we'll be ready to add our geode lines. When making your lines, your hand is going to want to naturally shake. Let it happen. It will give your lines realistic bumpy edges and will really give it an organic look. With the white pen that I'll be using, I'm just going to give my silver lines some extra definition, but you can absolutely skip this step if you like. Be adding a decal on this tumbler, but if you are, add a coat of epoxy over the lines and then add your decal and epoxy again. That's it, guys! Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. Have fun making your amethyst Suzanna geodes, and I'll see you again next time.